CEOs, HRM, KM, and training managers. What is your superpower? Hi, my name is Tzvi Eizenman, and I'm the CEO of the Key Group. Let us introduce you with our Charm Kits. It is a challenge for human resources managers, knowledge, information, and training supervisors to give and to add more charm to their roles. So come and take our capsule of safe training. The word safe stands for S for solutions for shortage or struggle that need to be resolved in organizations, A for added value, advice, F for fun and functional training, and E for effective application ready to go. So look out for our upcoming Chrome kits. That one quick and joyful Kahoot challenge, one at a time, for instance, today, and enroll for the detailed safe answer, including the fun part, added value, and effective application ready advice. Come and take an ASAP. We send for a super attractive power program, and it's all free, and it is as a token of appreciation to you. So kindly accept our training as a present that we believe can add a delicate charm to your role. It goes without saying that we would be more than happy to have you join us on this journey.